Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami shirt. Now by the end of this video, if you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more such content, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's get folding. So for this, what I've done is I've taken a 9.5 by 15 centimeters of paper. So this is a standard 15 by 15 square centimeters of paper sheet, but I just removed about 5.5 of it and I used the 9.5 part of it. So now first of all, what we need to do is we need to get a central fold for this sheet of paper. So we fold it in half vertically. Okay, so now that that's done, what we do is we bring in the right side towards the center, the central fold, while making sure that it's centrally aligned. You know, the right side touches the central fold that we've had, and do the same thing with the left side. Okay, so we've done that. Now the next thing we're supposed to do is we will pull this bottom side outward, and before we do that, I think we'll just make another fold. Really not required, so I'll just go ahead. So now once we've done this, we'll just pull the bottom side outward, okay, in a way that this fold here, this corner here, has a fold that goes through here in an angle like that. Okay, so alright, now repeat the same thing on the other side. Just match both the angles. Okay, now once that is done, on this bottom side you'll just make a small fold here, maybe a centimeter or less. Okay, maybe 1 centimeter is enough, and align that with the central fold. And now the next thing we're going to do is pick up this corner, top corner that we just folded. This is on the other side, and bring it towards the center in this way. Since we're making an origami shirt, it should look like a collar. You know, the shirt's collar, like that. And match the left side to the right. Exactly. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift the bottom part and bring it towards the top, and slightly pick up these corners that we have on both sides and tuck the bottom side up there. Match the central alignment, the central fold properly, guys, and then once you are happy with that, then you crease the bottom. So there you go, guys. With just a few simple folds, that's our origami shirt. Please let me know if you've liked this video, guys. Mention your comments, and also give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please also share it with your friends, and if you want to watch more such videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.